Hello, friends. I'm gonna remember how to vac. Look at this. I just Frosty and any old pets. A new Bistleberry like. And take the old pets. And the white light over here and a toy. And they're put outside. And there's the older mask in here. I gotta clean it up. My Henry's back. And then I have 2 burger guts. And then a turbo brush. And then there comes a turd. And then nope, that comes right off. Don't we? This one is the dashing too. And there's just a brush too. I get to sweep it up. And a mirror. There's a good mirror right there. And then I have to sweep it up. And then dusty two on. And then the tiny two pad candle. And then nope, it's mess. A shark rotator with the way. And just kino and a bit of plate fork. And then the tools. Not everybody will do that. Already try. I'll make sure two any old pets. I'll turn the back light on. Yeah, alright. Now that you're trying it, look at that light. It's the bright light. Oh, right. Now you trap balloons. And I got a yellow balloon. Daddy blew up by herself. There's got a hers. And a brusher. And the old pets. And older pets. And then some bright light. There's a bright light right there. And then I'm turning to turn any old pets. what you doing? Vacuuming. Oh, dear me. Did you vacuum that whistle? Wow, cool. See the whistle sign? Wow, that's so cool. Okay, bye. I see that. Look at disgusting. Is it disgusting in here? Oh dear. Look, I'm more than set. Look, I got a little missile sign. I still got a little one. And a quart and a little one? Yes, I see a little one right there. And then I see each one is a little. And your old pets. Alright, bye. Alright, bye.